Welcome to Stories of Destinations. Today, we begin a captivating journey through one of Vietnam's most enchanting provinces, Ninh Binh. Located just a 2-hour drive south of Hanoi, this land is a rare confluence of towering limestone cliffs, glassy rivers, emerald rice fields, and ancient heritage sites. Here, nature is not tamed, but revered, and every whisper of wind through the reeds, every echo in the caves, tells a story. Whether you're a nature lover, a history enthusiast, or simply a traveler in search of peace, Ninh Binh welcomes you with open arms. This 1-hour visual voyage will take you deep into valleys of legends, rivers of reflection, and temples of timeless devotion. Breathe deeply, listen closely, and let yourself be transported. Our first stop is Tranquil, a site so unique, it's been recognized by UNESCO as both a natural and cultural World Heritage. Imagine gliding gently along a jade-colored river, surrounded by soaring limestone karsts that pierce through the mist like silent guardians. Your journey begins on a traditional rowboat, steered by skilled local hands who navigate through a labyrinth of caves and grottoes. The Sang Cave, with light filtering in through its natural archways, feels like a gateway to another world. Toy Cave envelopes you in darkness so deep, your senses awaken to the sound of water dripping and the touch of ancient rock. Then comes Hung Noru, or the Wine Brewing Cave, named after the legend of making sacred wine for the royal court. But beyond geology, Tranquil is a spiritual realm. Shrines like Den Trin and Den Tran sit serenely along the riverbanks, shaded by banyan trees and flanked by incense smoke curling into the mountain air. The air is cooler here, fresher. Time seems to slow, letting you absorb the essence of a land still untouched by modern chaos. As you drift, you'll pass rice paddies shimmering under the sun, fishermen casting nets in rhythmic motions, and birds wheeling above like they've done for centuries. It's no wonder that Hollywood chose Tranquil as the dramatic backdrop for Kong, Skull Island. Yet even without the cameras, this place is cinematic on its own, breathtaking, humbling, and unforgettable. This is not just sightseeing, this is soul-seeing. Next, we visit Hoa Lu, the cradle of Vietnamese civilization. More than a millennium ago, this valley surrounded by rugged mountains was the seat of power for the Dinh and La dynasties. Emperor Dinh Tien Hung unified warring tribes, established the country's first feudal state, and ruled from this very ground. Walking through the ancient courtyards of the Hoa Lu temples, the scent of aged wood, moss-covered bricks, and solemn silence evoke a deep sense of history. Intricately carved dragons guard the altars. Stone steels inscribed with faded scripts whisper stories of bravery and leadership. But Hoa Lu is not frozen in the past. Local villagers still tend nearby rice paddies, pray in the temples, and pass down oral tales to children playing in the courtyards. It's a living museum, a sacred intersection of then and now. The valley itself acts as a natural fortress, its walls of stone protecting secrets, dreams, and legacies that span 1,000 years. From the ancient to the spiritual, we journey to Dinh, the largest Buddhist complex in Southeast Asia. Nestled against Dinh Mountain, this massive temple grounds stretch across 700 hectares, blending old-world reverence with modern devotion. Begin your pilgrimage through the 500 arched corridor of Arhat statues, each with a distinct face, gesture, and story. Walk past lotus ponds that bloom in the summer sun, reflecting gold-plated stupas and intricate rooftops. As you ascend towards the Great Buddha Hall, a towering bronze statue greets you in meditative serenity, its eyes closed, hands poised in peace. The bell tower chimes at regular intervals, sending waves of vibration through your chest, and if you listen closely, you might hear monks chanting softly in the wind. Dinh isn't just a monument, it's a space to reflect. People come here to pray, to ask for blessings, or to simply feel grounded again. From the hilltop, you can gaze over lush forests, glistening lakes, and temple roofs stretching to the horizon. Spiritual energy is palpable here. Whether you're Buddhist or not, your spirit finds stillness. Tam Coc means 3 caves, and it offers a river journey unlike any other. You board a small wooden sampan, and almost immediately, you're surrounded by sweeping rice fields bordered by jagged cliffs. The Go Dong River flows gently, reflecting clouds, trees, and mountains on its glassy surface. Come during harvest season, and the fields erupt in gold vivid yellow against emerald mountains. As the boat glides, you duck into caves formed over eons high, and each revealing textured ceilings, echoing water, and occasional rays of light piercing the dark. But Tam Coc is more than scenic. Along the way, you'll pass women wearing traditional conical hats, paddling with their feet, an artful method unique to this region. Children wave from riverbanks, water buffalo graze lazily, and herons stalk silently through shallows. It's a landscape that lives and breathes. Unlike touristy stops, Tam Coc asks nothing of you. It simply invites you to be present, to watch, to wonder, to feel. If you're ready for a climb, Mua Cave offers a perspective that will take your breath away. 486 stone steps zigzag up a steep limestone peak to a pagoda and a majestic stone dragon coiled along the summit. The ascent is a test of endurance, but the view is the reward. From the top, Ninh Binh sprawls below green rice paddies in geometric patterns, snaking rivers, distant temples, and karst mountains rising like ancient spires. Sunrise paints the land in hues of orange and silver. Sunset cloaks it in deep purples and gold. Bring your camera, yes, but take a moment to just stand still and take it all in. You're on top of the world here quietly, naturally, gloriously. As our journey draws to a close, take a moment to reflect. What we've explored is more than just a destination, it's a harmony of nature, history, and spirit. Ninh Binh is where mountains hold legends, rivers carry prayers, and skies stretch wider than worry. In a world that moves fast, Ninh Binh teaches slowness. In a time of noise, it offers quiet. We hope this story leaves you inspired. Tell us, where should we travel next? Until then, keep wandering, keep wondering, and stay connected to the beauty around you.